Hey everyone, welcome back to TRwalks. Today we're trading in the tranquility of nature for the vibrant energy of the waterfront. Join me as we explore Harbourfront Centre, a cultural hub and scenic oasis in the heart of Toronto. Harbourfront Centre offers something for everyone. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere as you stroll along Waterfront Path, taking in the breathtaking views of Lake Ontario. Admire the artistic flair through the captivating sculptures and public art installations scattered throughout the grounds. Whether you crave a moment of relaxation on the lush green spaces, or prefer to grab a bite at one of the many cafes, Harbourfront Centre caters to your needs. Harbourfront Centre isn't just a scenic escape. It's a cultural hub that comes alive with year-round events, from captivating live music performances and vibrant art markets to engaging family-friendly festivals. There's always something new to discover. Take a moment to soak in the laughter of children playing by the water fountains or witness the romantic charm of couples enjoying a stroll along the waterfront. So the next time you're looking for a vibrant mix of culture, scenic beauty, and lively entertainment, look no further than the Harbourfront Centre. It's a place to unwind, explore, and experience the best of Toronto's waterfront. Thanks for joining me on this TR Walk, and I'll see you on the next adventure.